This is what we got from Japan, and then this is going to be our packaging unboxing for the day. What's inside? This is going to be a really cute addition to our collection. So let me just open this. We have two things in here. This one is so exciting. I got this one for cheap, probably 50-60% off. So the other one is kind of like a jewelry. The other one is an excess. And then this one is from Japan. Here is the name of the company. And then I got this one on eBay. And then this one is going to be the kind of like an auction one type of thing. So let's open this cute one first. I know Sebastian was like telling me. So this one, I don't really like it. I don't really want it. Where is it? But this one is the, let's see, the diamond. The cut is fair. It's not that great. Clarity is SI and the color is K. So this one is 0.317 carat. Let's see. Oh wow, it's nice. Look at that, so pretty. Wow. The second one that we have, this one is exciting. Ta-da! There's no good packaging on this one, and then you can tell that this is a watch. Oh! And this one is the it's a Tiffany watch. Hold on, let's zoom it out. There we go. Oh wow, I love it, but it's small. Oh my gosh, I thought it's not gonna fit me. Let's see. And then they came with the extension of it, but I don't think it's gonna fit me. Let's open this up. Yay! So yeah, so this is what I have. Ta-da! No, here you go, my new watch. And then you open it on the back. Oh. There you go. And then there's Tiffany & Co. And then on the back of this one too, it's Tiffany & Co. Water resistant. Nice, huh? And Sophia approves. Yay! And then we'll show you how it is, but it's not fitting me correctly because this is how it looks like. There you go. But ta-da! I need the extension of it, but it looks so nice. Look, there's a lot of scratches yet. I just need to polish it because so yeah. Yay! What do you think? And this one is about $360. I won it in an auction. Nice, not bad. And then this one, I won it for $53 for this diamond that we have. Yay! What do you think, guys? There you go. That's what we got for the day. And then I'll bring this one to Tiffany & Co. to extend it. And then I'll keep you posted if this is original or not. But it is because it's from Japan vintage store that I bought it from on eBay. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Do what makes you happy. We hope that you enjoyed our unboxing today, and check out the next video when we brought this one to Tiffany & Company. Bye.